Okay, children, I give you free Robux when I'm done with you, okay? Just gotta be very quiet. Don't do to anyone. Alright?
Hello?
Shh. You're gonna get attention. Be quiet.
Hello?
Uh, hello, sir. What is the problem today?
I have an iPhone 5s Plus 3G wireless that needs a battery replacement.
Oh, okay. Battery replacement. What happened with it?
It, it needs the battery replaced.
Okay. I'll be with you in very minute.
Okay, how much would it?
Shit. I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to ring the bell.
Why would you do that?
Oh my god. I'm very sorry, sir. I did not mean to do this. Wait.
What?
Okay, kiddies, if I give you free Robux, I will let you go. Just do not tell anyone about this occasion, okay? Sounds good?
Hello?
Shh. I'm gonna get someone's attention. Be quiet.
Hello?
Stay down here. Hello, sir. How may I help you?
I have an iPhone 5s 3G wireless that needs to be the battery replaced.
Oh, okay, sir. Just hand it over and then everything will be okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you for the 5G wireless.
Take good care of it. Why did you do it again?
Why won't the bell ring? The bell won't ring. See you in a bit.
Okay, thank you. Huh?
Uh-oh.
No, wait, can we redo that? My mom just came in the room.
Oh. Okay.
No.
Also, wait, come in here. I accidentally blew up the wall because it went through the wall for some reason.
How?
It went through the wall, dude.